everyone, welcome back to another vlog. We're now riding Uber and we're on our way to Trinoma. I'm with my sister as usual. So today is the day of the free workshop with Benefit Cosmetics and I have the prices sa likod. Isa pag makalimutan yan, baka makalimutan. Prices for the 100k giveaway. Plus, kagabi kasi nag-flash giveaway ko sa Instagram. So, I'll be meeting the winners later on. Anyway, if you notice, I'm wearing contact lenses today. And since kasi yung Air Optics contact lenses for 1 month lang siya, eh yung brown ko, hindi malabo na siya. And ang only stock left sa bahay is blue. So I'm wearing blue today. Ayan. We're buying Starbucks. Naalala ko bawal pala mag-film dito. So kunwari na lang walang ginagawa. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Fudgy bar and banana bread. So before going up sa Benefit, we're just gonna drink a little bit kasi hindi ako makaka-function kapag wala akong kinakain. Fudgy bar siya. Fudgy bar. Fudgy bar. Yummy. Now we're at the Benefit store in Trinoma and we're with all the girls! Thank you so much, Boss. You're welcome. I love it. Ito ba yan? You know? Love it. Golden yeah. So we're done with the workshop with Celine and yeah, super fun lang. We took a lot of photos. So search nyo lang yung hashtag na Benefit Love Stay. Tapos lahat ng photo namin makikita doon.
This is Twice X Fashion. Nakalang sa price sa Instagram flash giveaway.
Thank you so much!
The winner of the 100k giveaway, si June. Ito lang kilay yalo. Ito is 9 months na siya. Oh my God. Sobrang Judy.
Super simple lang ang susukayan guys. Look. We're here at Coalition to check out the shoes from Wanda. Saan yung Wanda? There, Wanda Panda. Ito yung pinili ko guys. Cute no? Malambot siya. Love it. Wanda Panda. Early dinner here at Cafe Breton with Kimmy. Sabi ko, Kim, maganda ng top niya. Di ba, Kim? Yes. Si Babe.
Hi.
My sister. In order ni Kim. Kim, ano ulit yan?
Galet rustic.
Oh my God. Yummy. Okay, ano yan?
Don Quixote.
My sister's is Goldfish. Order Chori Burger. Oh, Chori Burger talaga. Chorizo Burger. Done with all the errands, guys. And if you remember, nag-vlog ako. Walang ink, di ba? Yung Canon na printer ko. Nakahanap na ako sa Trinoma sa Complink. And madami sila stock ng black. $390. Pero nung bumili na ako ng color, which is sa SM Manila ko binili ito, $450 na. Nagtaas na ng presyo. Nakakaloka. Anyway, we're having dinner here at YE. Kasi si Mark naman mas maampahan. Actually, ako sumasama na yung pakatang ko. Pero YE kami para hot soup and Chinese food, comfort food. And si Mark, kamusta ka na? Sakto lang. Here we have beef chong fan. Yummy. Tapos nag-ho fan. Wait lang, baliktad ba? Ho fan, chong fan. Nam. Tapos i-order ako ng mami. Tapos yung kay Mark wala. Ala, ala! We have spare ribs and then siomai kay Mark. Free soup. Tapos asado. Yummy! Ito, Nichido Tinted Brow Gel. Ito yung itsura niya. And ang kinuha kong shade is brunette. And this one is for $238. Kapresyo niya yung BB cream. Again, medyo mahal, pero 7 ml. Malaki na siya, ha? And tignan natin kung bongga ba siya sa kilay. So, ito yung kilay kapag merong tinted brow gel, guys. And sobrang mapapansin nyo, nag-iba yung color, di ba? And mas 3D effect siya. Kaya I think really good to. Lalo na kapag meron kayong mga hair na yung iba-iba yung tubo niya and you want it